Guys, welcome back to the channel. All right, right now I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing of this Google Pixel 10 that I got on Amazon. This is a renewed item. It is 100% certified. It comes with a warranty. And I told myself I wasn't going to get this phone, man. I told myself, I said, I'm not getting the Google Pixel 10. But what I ended up doing was I ended up selling my Google Pixel 9 Pro. And I actually got a hell of a good deal on this phone. So basically, I pretty much got this phone for free. So I sold my Pixel 9 Pro on Swappa. I ended up buying this bad boy. And I said, hey, let's check it out, man. So let's see if I made the right choice. So this is the Google Pixel 10. This is the non-Pro version. I think what the difference is the Pro version has a telephoto that goes up to, I think, 100x, and I think this only caps at 30x. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. And what I've noticed about this package is that this box is super clean, man. Like, this is basically almost unused. The packaging is like perfect. So anytime you get a phone from Amazon through the renewed, I usually get them where they're pretty much like used but like acceptable condition, and this was an acceptable condition phone, and this ships through Amazon. So basically, if you have any issues with it, you can just return it at, you know, Whole Foods or Amazon Fresh or Kohl's or wherever, you know, wherever they give you the option to. So let's go ahead and take this off. See, the thing is, they kept this cover on, which is cool, because I remember when I opened up my Pixel 9a, I ended up tearing this thing up. So, well maintained. Here's the device. Google Pixel 10. Let's check it out, man. Here we go. Moment of silence. Wow, it's got the wrapping on it still. Wow, that's pretty dope. I mean, this looks like it just came out of the factory. Your charging cable. And not much, you know, not much else going on here. No charge or anything like that. But I mean, this is basically like it came out brand new. All right, take that off. Take this off. And look at this color, man. This is the frost. And it's a perfect color for Christmas time, which is right about now. And look at that. Wow. Christmas, New Year's. This is a beautiful color, man. Look at this color. Wow. The last one I had was the Obsidian, which was decent. But this is just, wow, this is that glossy back, man. Wow, look at that. Great, great, great. Okay, feels about the same as the other one, as the 9 Pro, so the weight's the same. Volume rocker up and down, power button, same location. And the reason I didn't want to buy this phone was because it lacks a physical SIM card. So to me, that was a big deal. But, you know, now with carrier options and everything, you don't really need a SIM card, because a lot of the new phones that you activate it without a SIM card anyway. So SIM card's good to have when you transfer between devices. You don't have to log into the app. You don't have to do, you know, eSIM transfer or anything like that. But at the end of the day, man, this is the future, and you just kind of got to roll with the punches, man. So let's go see if there's any juice in here. Yeah, I'm totally digging it, man. Wow, look at this beautiful phone. This is acceptable condition. This is acceptable condition. And to be honest with you, okay, this has got a low battery issue here, so I can't even do anything, I guess. I don't know what the battery is on this one. We're going to skip all that. We're just going to try to get to the home screen. I want to try to get to the home screen without even connecting to anything, if possible. Okay. So let's see if it's going to let me do that. All right, that needs to be set up. Will be sent to Google. Okay, whatever. It doesn't matter. Okay, let me just go ahead and connect it, man. Let me go ahead and do this real quick. Okay. I just connected anyways. Might as well. I'm going to end up doing it anyway. So connect it to the internet, and it's going to take some time to get the phone ready. But just look at this phone, man. The visor looks clean. It looks exactly the same as the Pixel 9 Pro. I mean, I can't really tell the difference except for this beautiful color, man. This is just amazing, man. Look at that. Okay, for myself, checking info. And I just want to get to the home screen and kind of wrap this. I don't want to make this video too long, but I'll probably end up making it longer than I wanted to. But just give me a second here. Let's get all this. Let's get all this stuff in here, and let's go ahead and do this, and we're good to go. Don't add to this account. Okay, let's go agree with that, and connect to mobile network. Set up eSIM. We're gonna do that later. If you skip this step, you won't communicate. Okay, skip. Anyway, we'll do that later. I'll do that as soon as I decide what SIM card, which one I want to use for this device. So, but for now, just going to go ahead and, what does it say? Set up fingerprint sensor. Okay, let's do that. Let's start. Okay, this is the ultrasonic one. And so this should be, lightning quick, no problems, no issues. All right, let's do that real quick. Set that bad boy up. All right, get all the angles. Here we go. Okay, next. All right, let's set up face unlock. All right, let's go ahead and do that real quick. All right, we're done. And copy of data. No, we'll do that later. Do it later. All right, we're going to go ahead and scanning, phone number verification, biometrics to verify purchases. Okay, we can do all that. Okay, send usage and diagnostics. I don't ever do that, so it just wastes more battery. Anytime it keeps scanning and doing all that stuff. All right, other device data. Okay, let's go ahead, and we're good. Let's go. All right, here we go. Let's go. Let's do it. Okay. Skip the Gemini for now, man, because sometimes it'll just start talking to me for no reason, man. Okay, get up right when you need them. AI, I hate AI. I put no thanks. I'm sorry, man. I'm not into the AI that much. It doesn't, still kind of old school. All right, skip, and next, and let's get to this. Okay, here we go. All right, here we are. Connect. Now you can change all those settings later, so it's not a big deal to me. I can reset it to all factory settings later at any time I want. Okay, try it. All right, we're good here. Good job. You know how to swipe up, go back. Great. You know how to do all that. All right. Switch apps. All right. Cool. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Here we are. All right. Here we go. Here we are. There we go. Finally, we're at the home screen. And here is the Google Pixel 10. I almost said 9. And it looks, just like the regular typical Pixel. What I noticed is that this one is a little bit narrower than the Pixel 9a, and the bezels are smaller. Beautiful phone, man. This is, it's pretty much a clone copy of the 9 Pro. It just has the updated G5 sensor. That's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and take a photo real quick and see how that comes out. There we go. Here's a photo. Pretty nice. You can see the Christmas tree in the background. Let's do a let's see, what do I want to do here? Portrait. Let's see how that comes out. All right, do that again. Let's see, the portrait came out here. Look at that. It's really nice. Look at the background from the tree back there. Very pretty, man. All right, so that's it. That's the unboxing of the Google Pixel 10. And wait for my full review on this device. And I'll let you guys know what I think. But so far, just look at this color, man. I can just sit there and look at it. I don't even want to use a case on this phone, but I know I'm going to have to. So anyway, guys, if you guys enjoy this video, please subscribe down below. Hit a like, subscribe, comment. If you like the video, tell me you like it. If you hate it, tell me it sucks. Until next time, talk to you soon and take care.